How to view your statement and check your tax form on BMO account. Let's get started with the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser and then move into the official site of BMO. Enter your login credential and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Head over to Account at the top right and then simply move into Document Center. Once you're in this page, you can see two different sections, Statements and Tax Form. To view the statements, select the account and then select the year. Once you have selected, the result will be shown to you. You will be able to see the PDF. Simply download this PDF on your device and then you will be able to view the statement of the year that you have chosen. Once done, now head over to Tax Form. Select the year of which you want to see the tax form. Once you have selected the year, the result will be shown to you and you will be provided with the PDF. Simply head over to the PDF and then download it on your device. After that, you will be able to check your tax form of the year. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.